when you're ready and I'll take it off safety. Okay, you're on safety still, so don't push it.
If it's the pig that he's saying, that thing is freaking huge. It's like 600 or 700 pounds. I'm not joking. You're gonna freak when you see how big that is.
Okay, whenever you're ready,
Squeeze. Oh, reload. Oh, she hit him. He's on the other side of that tree. I'm gonna turn right.
Well, he's gonna have to clear.
She smashed him. That's just a big pig. That is that pig. You Tyrell, you're right. That's that one. He's freaking huge. I think she got him good.
Yeah.
If he does come out, they'll give him one more because a big pig like that.
Okay, yeah.
Give him one more.
Right there. Shoot him when you get him in your
Oh, yeah, that's it. Oh, wow. That was massive. you just drilled him. Here, let's be sure because a dude like that can win today. He's a big.
Good job. That gun's loud, huh?
That gun sounds like a cannon.
Oh, man. That thing amazing as well.
Oh my heck. That's Tyrell. I'm glad you were sure that was the one because I'm telling you, I hadn't seen this dude. And look all that from his, that's all lung he's done. I don't know how we're gonna move this guy to the pictures. It's a buffalo, bro. It's a bison. That's like
Just tuck his legs.
Yeah.
Look at those studs.
He has no neck. It's just like his shoulders go to his head. You know what I mean? You stubby little old bro. Look how gnarly his hair is too, like all thick.
Ready?
1, 2. Oh, look. Oh, 1, 2. We gotta get his tusk open too. We gotta take some pictures of that. Dude, he's just a tank. He's so fat. Oh. Look at the size of his shoulders this way, guys. He's literally 4, like, look at that.
That thing's like twice.
No, that's way big, bro. That's as big as pigs get. That's like as big as pigs get.
I'ma show you something that you never knew you wanted. Yeah, you want it.
Oh yeah, I can see his teeth from here. That's him. That's
Put
him.
that all the way forward.
That's him. Put it before you push out of me. Look at the teeth on that dude. Do it again.
Like an animal. Like an animal.
Nice, bro. That's him. He's right here. Yeah. Did you see the teeth on that dude coming out?
Yeah.
Even before you open his mouth. That dude's got you see him
down in the grass.
that floor.
I ejected that one.
Holy shit, dude, I got like a little bit of, that was sick. Look at that big other boar. That I didn't even know about this other black boar. That's actually a Mangalista, that little one. These are all little boars. They're following that sow. That sow's in heat. That's why they're all here. That sow's in heat.
There's more.
Yeah. There's a sow in heat.
Got him good on that second one. Yeah.
Did you see this river roaring?
Back.
That's normally it's just a trickle.
Yeah.
Do you know what's so good about that? We can get down here with the side by side and a trend. Oh, dude, he is a ball. Whole attitude, man. And when they get over 200 pounds, they're not a pain. They don't feel like you're big enough to keep you up. Hands up above his head. It's all wet right here. It looks different. There's petroglyphs all over this canyon. It's just like this is the little Colorado River. I would just stay above right there.
Yeah.
That dude's a fighter. Gosh, you guys are gonna freak about this teeth. That's almost, so we've killed literally thousands of pigs, so that might be the biggest teeth of anyone I've ever seen. Literally thousands of pigs. They look fake. They're going back into his thing. That is fake. Do you see that teeth?
Yeah.
That's, I don't even understand how that grew that. You could make a, look at those teeth, bro. Are you kidding me right now? They're growing back into his face.
Yeah, they're big walking up.
Yeah, I could see him. I did not. That's freaking real. It's like a sword.
That's gonna be a badass skull.
Dude, it's gonna be the coolest skull ever. And do you know what's crazy? Is they're gonna go down in them around here. That's crazy. They're not like, normally they don't.
Jackal in a case.
Yeah, they're not. They're stupid. They're not even acting like they're worried about me.
To the
They're all sexed up. There's a sow in heat somewhere. That tending grunt. They're just rut hard.
won't run dry. Gather round at the river where my soul comes to life and I come alive. Lord, I know you will deliver like you do every time that I come alive.
Cody Wilson. I'm from Tonto Basin. Came out here and shot some hogs today. Cruised down into the riverbed there and got on top of them and got a good shot in. Dropped mine. My little sister was up here in the flats and she found a good one in the bushes and got hers in a couple shots. It was a good day.
We had an awesome day today. Killed 2 giant hogs. Got stuck in the canyon and we're out, made it out alive. So this is Tom Caldwell saying, keep the sun at your back and the wind in your face.